bird. You probably cannot see the bird, but we are getting closer. So, I'm gonna be a smarty pants, and, no big deal. I kind of fell down that hill, and, I'm kind of a little bit dirty now. No big deal. But we are walking down the trail. Do 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 do. Just me and my bridge.
Where'd bridge come from? This is a big surprise to everyone.
There's a bridge there.
Well, if you over there, there'll be a bridge up here. I know this. Ah, there's the river. It's rising.
River. There's a river.
No, it can flood because it's flooding.
So yeah, we're just kind of passing this sign.
Oh, one more.
You're just walking. Okay, so we just came out of this store. Well, that store. Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. And, Michaela got marshmallows on a stick. It's a marshmallow on a stick. I got a ginormous Reese cup. Yeah, that's right. It's big. And Michaela's having difficulties eating her marshmallow on a stick. This thing is rock hard. Like, I've had 3 bites. And, like, I cannot bite it. Michaela's also, like, really? She cannot bite into it. These things are the hardest things in the planet.
And they're $4.50 a piece. Like
they're expensive. Like, they're good. But they're hard and they're expensive. We are on a playground. Meow. Meow.
What the heck is ski pole?
Whoa! You lost a ski pole.
Nope, pretty sure I don't have ugly old ski pole.
You never know. I'm gonna go down the slide. Woo! Okay, I know this recording is gonna be shitty, but I love whatever the heck this thing is.
We need your camera to work, dude. Is it working?
Yeah.
This is not.
There's a frog croaking.
Hi, frog.
We are going for a hike, and there's this really gross water, and there's snow.
And I'm in it, but it's really hot.
And then there's not snow. It's like really warm over there, and there's like snow.
But it's really hot in here.
How is this like Twilight at all?
Remember it was all snowy, but it was May, and that big storm came, and they're in the woods, and we're in the woods, and it's May, and it's snowy, and cool.
She's a little bit of a Twilight nut.
No, I'm not. I like the snow.
Snow. The snow makes it cold because it was hot before. Snow.
Like, see, that one you can't really tell because it must have been a recall. Those are moose trains.
Those are so not moose trains.
They're moose trains. These are moose trains, man.
They are so not
Look
moose
at that
trains.
is definitely the moose train. The 2 things and the 2 little.
Well, back there, someone. Okay, yeah, that one was definitely.
Yeah, let's go to the lake. It's right here.
You scared him.
I see water. Think how cold it is. Put your finger in it. No, because she'll get too close and get us soaker.
Butterfly. Ah! This is a lake. We were apparently going to swim in this until we figured out it was frozen. Because it's May and it's frozen. Like, water, but it's frozen.
Yeah,
look at this.
You can stand on it. My mom would probably kill me.
Yes, here.
Look at what we have to get across.
Let's try and get across this. So I'm gonna attempt to step down onto that. So
her way works better than mine.
I'll step. She's going to go from here to there.
That was easy.
Not fair. How'd you even get it across?
Oh no, I don't think I can make it.
So hard.
Just see with the cat.
This should be interesting.
What is already stuck, Mom?
Nice butt. Yeah. Michaela's obsessed with the 6 apparently. Dumbledore. You're weird. Are they soft?
Yes. Go away. That's soft.
Like petting a kitty?
Yeah. Do you like them?
See? Stop. Okay.
Wow.
Michaela, you're retarded. Get off of there. Michaela. Michaela. I feel like a mom. Why? Don't blame me for this.